Nate in your state.
You know, I really do like being in New York, and I can't really complain about where I live and where I'm from. And just wonder though, because I'm always traveling. I wonder how New York would feel if I was in a relationship with New York. I wonder how New York would feel with me traveling to all these places and I'm not bringing New York with me, I mean, the New York comes with me, but I'm not bringing New York with me. I wonder how she would feel, and I wonder what that'd look like. I wonder what that'd look like if I was at another state having fun without New York.
We were about to get serious. You know me and you. I didn't know you would make love at another place too. I was so ready to settle down. Now you won't see me around. You heard your lady. You've been a bad, bad, bad boy, baby. I smell perfume on you, but I guess it's not mine. Where have you been? I thought you were mine. How could I be so dumb, 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 dumb? I smell a perfume on you, but I guess it's not mine. Where have you been? I thought you were mine. How could I be so dumb, 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 dumb? I don't mind sharing. I don't mind sharing. I don't like sharing.
My goodness, there's a lot to talk about. I have to talk about Evo. I have to talk about the food. I have to talk about transportation. I have to talk about the hotels. Yeah, there's a lot to go over, and I'm just going to talk about all those things, especially the food. Especially the food. I got to talk about that. And there's going to be a series of episodes that you guys are going to see. I'm going to try to make this bi-weekly if it's possible. I am a busy dude and I haven't had much time to do the rest of the episodes, but there's a lot I gotta show you guys. That's a bootleg New York City. I would like to give a big shout out to Annella, Lars, and Thomas of Wooden Hat Records for allowing me to use today's track, Perfume. You can hear more of Annella's music on her YouTube channel as well as Annellamusic.com. I'll be posting all that information in the description below. And that concludes today's episode. If you like today's episode, what I want you to do is drop a like, subscribe, and click on the bell thingy. You have to click on the bell thingy or else you won't get any more Nate in Your State videos. And I know you love today's music that came on with today's episode because it was jamming. I was jamming while I was creating this episode. And yes, guys, there's a lot that goes into each episode, even if it's short. So each like makes a difference. If you don't do anything for the rest of the day, you must drop a like, you must subscribe, and click on the bell thingy to get further episodes and content of Nate in Your State. Once again, I am Nate from Nate in Your State. Thank you so much for watching. Keep eating, keep exploring, and I'll see you next time.